page before you. Open up the dirty window, let the sun illuminate the words that you could not find. Reaching for something in the distance, so close you can almost taste it. Release your inhibitions, feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you, only you can let it in. No one else can speak the words on your lips. Drench yourself in words unspoken, live your life with arms wide open. Today is where your book begins, the rest is still unwritten. Yeah. Oh, oh. I break tradition. Sometimes my tries are outside the line. Yeah. We've been conditioned to not make mistakes, but I can't live that way. Oh. Staring at the blank page before you, open up the dirty window, let the sun illuminate the words that you could not find. Reaching for something in the distance, so close you can almost taste it. Release your inhibitions, feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you, only you can let it in. No one else can speak the words on your lips. Drench yourself in words unspoken, live your life with arms wide open. Today is where your book begins. Feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you, only you can let it in. No one else can speak the words on your lips. Drench yourself in words unspoken, live your life with arms wide open. Today is where your book begins, the rest is still unwritten. Staring at the blank page before you, open up the dirty window, let the sun illuminate the words that you cannot find. Reaching for something in the distance, so close you can almost taste it. Release your inhibitions, feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you, only you can let it in. No one else can speak the words on your lips. Drench yourself in words unspoken, live your life with arms wide open. Today is where your book begins. Feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you, only you can let it in. No one else can speak the words on your lips. Drench yourself in words unspoken, live your life with arms wide open.
Dito sa ating venue this afternoon. We are now celebrating the 18 years of existence of our dearest Tabinan. We have Annalyn Gabor, pero syempre, alam ko, lubos niyong minamahal ang ating pong Dabitan, kaya nandito po kayo. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Manuel Gabor. Gusto ko yun, PJ, sa akin ka lang tumingin. Gusto ko yun, ang bilis yung maglakad, ha? Nakuhanan niyo ba yun? Masyadong nag-aapura tong mga to, ha? Okay po, at this very moment, may I request everybody to please stand po. So welcome po the woman of the hour. I know, nag-ready po siya para po sa inyong lahat. At eto na po, 18 years of existence at bahagi po kayo ng 18 taon na yon ng kanyang kwento. At syempre, for more years to come as we celebrate here today. Ngayon naman, eto po, i-seize natin ang moment at i-welcome natin siya into adulthood. Together with her escort na si Mr. John Matthew Cabanduando. Ladies and gentlemen, our Dabitan, Annalyn Gabor.
Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw
Ladies and
you,
gentlemen, Annalyn.
I knew that I'd love again. After a long, long while, I'd love again.
There you go. Annalyn,
You said
tingnan mo ang iyong mga bisita mula kanan hanggang kaliwa. Yan ang mga taong lubos na nagmamahal sa iyo at sa inyong buong pamilya. Kaya i-treasure mo ang mga mukhang yan, ha? I-treasure, wag ibaon, ha? Baka mamaya. Okay po. Ngayon po, manatili lamang po kayo nakatayo at hingin po muna natin ang presensya po ng ating Panginoon sa pangunguna po ni Mr. Michael Cabatuan.
For this moment in time, let's bow our head and feel the presence of our God. Nakinang Diyos na makapangyarihan sa lahat, as we thank you and glorify your name for this wonderful day that we all cherish, Panginoon. Salamat, Panginoon, sa buhay ni Annalyn, sa kanyang 18th birthday, Panginoong Diyos. As we all know, Panginoon, that despite of everything happens to her and to her family, Panginoon, ay patuloy kayong nananatili na kasama nila, Panginoong Diyos. Yun po, Panginoon, I do believe that this one is the greatest gifts, Panginoon, na patuloy niyang na-receive. Sa hapong ito, Panginoon, ay patuloy naming tinataas sa inyo ang lahat. Nawag naniniwala kami, Panginoon, if your presence is here, Panginoon, the rest will follow. Maraming salamat, Panginoon, as we give you the highest praise, the highest glory and honor. In Jesus' name, Amen.
There you go. Thank you very much, Ma'am Michelle. Manatili lamang po tayo nakatayo dahil ngayon pa lamang magpamigay na tayo ng premyo, Annalyn, or 500 pesos sa mapipili po ng ating debutant na pinakamagilas sumayaw mula po sa inyong lahat. At gagawin na po natin, papalakpak lang po muna tayo pataas. Sabayan niyo naman po ako, ha? Go! Yung mas mataas nga po? Oh, tita? Yung mas mataas pa? Ito rin mga sexy dito, ha? Okay, ready tayo! Go! Up and down! Sampai! Apa? Rolio! Sadewa! Giling! 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 Okay, start tayo, DJ. Annalyn, may nakita ka bang pinakamagilas sumayaw? Magbigay ka nga ng kahit 5, Annalyn, na magigilas sumayaw. Kahit 5, ha? Sino-sino? Isa pa daw! Isa pa daw. Ako, isa pa. Tingnan natin, DJ, isa pa. Dito nyo na patunayan yung mga sarili nyo, ha? Alright? There you go! May pumunta na sa gitna! May pumunta na sa gitna! Isa pa nga, mas mataas. Alright, ready? Up and down. Sampai. Rolyo. Sadewa, giling. Mukhang marami talagang ready, no? Sige po, magsiupo na po kayong lahat. Yan. Joke lang po yung 500. Energy lang po talaga ang kailangan natin. Thank you very much po. You may now take your seat. Diyan ka muna, Annalyn. Sige, sir. Pwede ka na mo po muna. Kala nyo talaga. Kompleto tayo sa 500, ha? O, sige. Annalyn, upo ka lang muna sa inyong couch. Alright, at this very moment, Annalyn, when it comes to debut here in the Philippines, we have our long-standing tradition, which is the 18s. Kaya naman nandito, meron akong listahan ng mga miyembro natin ng 18s mo na talaga nga namang nandito kasama natin this afternoon. Let's begin with our 18 Balubing, Zachary Ramos, Stephanie Macapagal, Jasper Cabiles, Prince Jared Garcia, Relene Faye Villacorta, Yan Lacson, Jay Lacson, and Marcelo Manabat Jr. Yun. So Sila nakadagdag ng sigla ng TV ni Annalyn. Thank you very much, kiddos. Waki! Bigyan niyo na ito. Sige. Forward ka, kuya. Yan. Okay, mga pinapa-forward ka. Tayo ka dito, kuya. Forward ka. Yan. Dito ka. Yan. Sino ang magilas sumayaw sa inyo? Ang magilas sumayaw. Ayun, may humabol. Amin na yung tsokolate, ate. Ayun na po ako ng tsokolate. Yung tsokolate, pa-premyo natin. Ba't pinimerienda mo? Okay, bibigyan ka ng chocolate yung pinakamagilas sumayaw, ha? Okay. Hindi nyo naman ako in-inform na kids party pala. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our little kids, DJ, music! Automatic sila, ano? Yun! Oh. Okay. Yes! Okay, stop na natin. Thank you, ha. Ano yung anak mo ito? Ha? Thank you. Please, nakatayo siya dyan hanggang matapos, di ba? Kuha kayo ng chocolate dito. Bibigyan ko kayo ng chocolate, ha? Sino may gusto ng chocolate? Ayun! Di ba? Kanina, ayaw mong sumayaw. Ngayon, chocolate. Gusto mo na. Pwede ka nang maupo. Sino pa gusto ng chocolate? Yan. Okay, sino pa? Sino pa gusto ng chocolate? Ayun. Okay. The other one. Yan. We also have you, ate girl. For the baby girl. Yan. We also have 2 more pa. Saktong-sakto para sa inyo to. Yan. Okay. Palakpakan naman po natin yung mga kids natin. Here we now go on to our dressing room para sa iyong preparation. Dahil ngayon pa lamang, meron na tayong singer. Ano? Meron tayong singer. We have Mr. Mark Angelo Nocco. We have our cabinet, Annalyn. Tinawag mo si Aliyah kanina. Ayun, si Aliana. Si Aliana. Ayun pa rin. Nakatayo pa rin siya. Maupo muna kayo, mamaya tatawagin ko kayo. No? Maganda-ganda po yung pinagandaan po ni Aliana and ni Mr. Mark. Yeah, thank you very much. Nakaabot si Mark, ano? Para sa unang set nila later on. This time, maupo ka lang muna dyan, Annalyn, dahil ito, maliban sa balloons, meron pang mga gusto magpaabot sa'yo ng kanilang mga wishes. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our 18 candles. As I call your name, lapitan nyo naman po si Annalyn dito sa harapan. Message. Alright, let's begin with Margie Capatuando. We have Ma'am Malu. Ma'am Malu, ito po ang microphone.
Happy birthday.
Yan lang po yan. Thank you, Thank you. Pagsasilbi natin ng kandila. Sana gumawa ng, pag yun, bumati lang kayo, sana gumawa nila ako ng GC, ha? Sige, palakpakan naman po natin si Ma'am Malu. Thank you very much, Ma'am Malu. Ang inyong pong presensya ay malaking bagay po sa celebration po natin ngayong araw na to. Next naman, we have Ma'am Judy Makmak. Kapatid ba ito ni Jam? Ay, kapatid ba ito ni Annalyn? Hindi.
Happy birthday, Annalyn. May all your days be filled with happiness, And your heart filled with courage to go after what you want in life, and your life filled with confidence. We're so proud of you. Love you so much.
Okay, thank you very much. That is Jam. I saw. Thank you very much, Jam. Next naman, we have Ma'am Lucy Odencia.
Happy birthday, Annalyn. Gusto ko lang sabihin na sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Saka lagi kang makikinig sa
Yes. Ayun. Papahipan niyo po yan. Hindi po kayo yung iiyak. Para magkali naman po tayo dito. Yan. Okay, pablaw na po. Yun, palakpakan naman po yan. Si Ma'am Janet. Thank you very much, Ma'am Janet. Next naman, we have Ma'am Abigail Cabatuan.
Happy birthday, Annalyn! Finally, you're a woman now. At sabi nga nila, pwede na. Pwede ka nang mag-boyfriend ng 5 agad. Hindi ka sign. Ang simple lang yung wish ko para sa'yo. Pag-aaral ka mabuti. Magtapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. And be thankful to your mother and to God. Good health and keep safe always. I'm sure naman may enjoy yung aral mo na. Again, happy birthday.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Abigail. Next, we have Ma'am Yolanda Villacorta. Ma'am Yolanda. Message naman po to our Kapitan. Yun. Thank you very much, Ma'am Abigail. Next, we have Ma'am Adelaine Manaba.
Happy birthday, Monay. Or birthday ko. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Kala ka na, kaya mo na, nakikinig. Yun lang.
Okay, that is Adelaine Manaba. Thank you very much. Next naman, we have Ma'am Ana Sebastian. Ating kapitan. Anong April?
So ayun, happy birthday, Monay. Wish ko lang sa'yo is, huwag mo nang i-search yung ako at hirap ko sa'yo. Ayun lang, happy birthday and I got you, girl. Tita Denise, always you.
There you go. That is April Velarde. Thank you very much, April. Next naman, we have Cecil Cabatuanto.
Happy birthday, Monay! Nawento, may nag-iitim ka na. Sorry mo, naiiyak ko sa ate. Sabi naman natin na lang kayo, ang amin lang, sana sundin mo sila, lalo na si Mama. Mahal na mahal ka ng ate. Mag-iingat ka lagi. Yun lang, basta pag may problema ka, andito lang ako. Huwag kang kailangan magsabi. Alam mo naman, dalaw ko lang. Lagi malayo si Mama. Huwag mo isipin na hindi mo kakampi. Kakampi mo ako. Mahal kita. Happy birthday.
Sister Love, thank you very much, Ma'am brother. Emotional lang siguro siya dahil nakikita na niya ngayon yung kapatid niya na grown up na. Thank you very much, Ma'am brother. Next naman,
Happy birthday mo, Nay. Simula bata. Ilaga ko na yun. Ako yung naging mami-mamihan na talaga. Kaya alam mo yung tigas ng ulo niyan. Mama niya lagi nagsusugo. Yun ang wish ko sa'yo sana. Nasa legal age ka na, gawa ay yung utak mo ay lawinan mo na. Intindihin mo lahat ng ginagawa ng mga mo para sa'yo. Yung effort niya, yung pag-aarugan na wala man sila physically, sana ma-appreciate mo yun. Lalo ngayon na birthday mo, ginawas mo talaga ko para matupad yung pangarap mo. Ayun lang, nandito lang palagi si Mami para sa'yo. God bless.
There you go. That is Mommy Rosel Paya. Thank you very much po. Palakpakan naman po natin all the members of our Eating Candles or Wishes. Mamaya, maririnig natin ang mensahe ng kanyang mommy. Kaya naman all the members of our Wishes and Candles, lapitan po natin ulit si Annalyn. Very good, thank you very much. We have our eating bills, ladies and gentlemen. Simulan na natin kay Aljan. Aljan?
Annalyn, happy 18th birthday. Sana kapagtapos mo ng pag-aaral, sana lagi ka nakikinig sa mama mo. Kasi alam ko yung gagdagat ko.
Okay, thank you very much, Sir Aljan. Grabe, ano? Ako, nag-coat ako, pero si Sir Aljan nag-short lang, ha? Thank you. But anyway, thank you very much, Sir Aljan. Next naman, we have Ninong Romel Alcaide at ang itin briefs, ha? Ninong, kaya naman pang magbigay ng mensahe kay Annalyn.
Muna, happy birthday. Sana sa Lucas magulang namin.
Oh, thank you very much, Ninong Romel. Next naman, we have Lola Poleng Crisostomo. Ano naman po ang mensahe niya, Lolo?
Happy birthday na lang.
Tapos tayo. Picture muna po kayo, Lolo. Yan, para may souvenir po si Annalyn sa inyo. Thank you very much, Lolo Poleng. Next naman, we have Ninang Sunshine Aguilar. Ninang, your message to our staff.
Ang wish ko sa iyo na nakatapos ka ng pag-aaral, patupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap.
Yun, matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Thank you very much, Ninang Sunshine. Next naman, we have Ninang Cindy.
Oops, Manuela. Happy birthday and many more birthday to come. Love your parents, God bless. Love you.
There you go. Sweet note that is. Love your parents. Thank you very much, Ninang Cindy. Next naman, we have Ninang Jonaline Ramos. Yes! Diyan para kay Ninang Jonaline. Sige nga, pahingi nga ako, DJ, kasi mukhang palaban po ba itong Ninang na to? Ninang, halika dito. Samahan mo kami. Siyempre, tayo-tayo lang to. Magsasaya lang tayo ngayong araw to para kay Annalyn. Nasaan ang mga kagrupo ni Ma'am Annalyn? Sigawan nga po tayo may kasama palakpakan! Yes! Alright! DJ! Music! Kaya ba natin tayo? Jaja? Okay. Sige. Kaya yan. Alright! Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Ninang Jonaline! Go! Woo! Yes! Patay tayo. Nakakalaman muna dyan si Ninang Jonaline. Thank you very much, Ninang. This time po, pwede naman kami ng mensahe niyo po kay Annalyn.
Happy birthday and MTV. God bless. Alam mo na kung saan mo i-invest yung pera mo, ah. Siyempre, kininang. Iyan natin sa negosyo para dami tayong pera. Thank you, Maria. Sa birthday.
Chinese pala to, ano? Magaling mag-invest to. Thank you very much. Palapakan niyo naman po. Grabe yung energy ni Ninang Jonaline. Thank you. Next naman, we have Ninang Vanessa and Kuray. Nandiyan po si Ninang Rose Ann. Alright, sige. Bigay mo na yung mensahe mo kay Annalyn.
Happy birthday mo, Anay. Sana matapos ng pag-aaral mo, lagi mo susundin yung mama mo, ang hindi sumasakit ang ulo. Okay lang naman, miss.
Yun, maraming salamat po sa proxy po ni Ma'am Rose Ann. Yan. Next naman, we have Ninong Marty De Jesus. Nandiyan po ba si Ninong Marty? We also have Lolo Freddy De Jesus. We also have Lolo Manolito Capatuando. Those are our 18 bills. There you go.
Ready na kayo?
Angeles and Mr. Mark Angel Noko.
It's not a secret that you try to hide. You know you want me. So think you're putting us but your freedom hurts when we stop being by the side. You're my destiny. What it be?
Nothing could be as before. You'll be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world can be ours tonight. You think I don't wanna run to you, but there are mountains and there are doors that we can't walk through. I know you're wondering why, because we're able to be you, me, within these walls. But when we go outside, we're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all. Rewrite the stars. How can you say you'll be mine? Everything gives us a bird. None of the one you're meant to find. It's not up to you, it's not up to me. But everyone tells us what we can be. How can we rewrite the stars? Say that the world can be ours tonight. All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. Is it impossible? That it's possible. And how do we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could give us apart. 'Cause you are the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. And why don't we rewrite the stars? Taking the world to be ours. But I can have you. My bones are breaking, my hands are tied.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel
huli and final look for this event. For our 18 gifts, lapitan nyo lamang po si Annalyn. Lahat po kayo sabay-sabay. Just like the balloons kanina, bibigyan ko po kayo ng cue kapag bibigyan niyo po yung inyong gift. Alright, we have Angel Lee Tolentino, followed by Aliana Jace Angeles, Eliza Vergara, Charmaine K. Gonzalez, Jana Ray Miranda, Matt Ivan Tinia. We also have Irish Gail Joaquin, Tiffany Abalos, Jewel Yasmin Cabantuando, Micah Castro, Newton Bisonia, Jamaica Lacson, Eliza May Alcaide, Zaira Pascual, Gini Villacorta, Ginea Villacorta, Melanie Castro, Jericel Ordonez, and Rosemary Odencia. Alright, all the names na natawag ko po, it's your time to join our debutant po dito sa There you go, thank you very much to our members of our Eden Gifts. Okay, dali na, bigyan na natin ang pagkakataon to. Diyan lang po muna kayo. Bigay ko na yung microphone. Pakinggan na namin ang mga mensahe ninyo one by one. Alright, sige, ma'am. Yun, okay, sige. Pasa mo ma'am yung susunod ha. Ganun na lang, kapatapos tayo. Okay. For our first message will be given by one of the friend of our Japitan. There you go. Anong problema yan?
Birthday, baby. I still don't know how to thank you for always being there for me. Only God knows how much I value our friendship. So thankful for your existence. I wish you all the best in life and get everything you truly deserve. I love you.
Oh, how sweet it is. Thank you. Next naman, we now give the microphone to other members of our Indian Girls. Yes, Aliana?
To my first best friend in AU. Thank you so much dahil kapag nagsasabi ako sa'yo, hindi mo ako sinasabay. And also, thank you for everything kasi ikaw yan. Yun lang, halaman kita.
Thank you very much, Aliana.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Ate. Wish ko lang nakapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral at iwasan mo na yung tempo mo.
Birthday mo, Nay. Happy birthday mo, Nay. Good luck sa bagong journey ng buhay mo. And lagi mong tatandaan na lagi mong gamitin yung isip at puso mo sa lahat ng bagay. Lalo na sa pagdating. Happy birthday.
Ah, ganda naman nun. Yes, Ate.
Hi, sis. Nag-BFF since Namiss kita, kahit hindi tayo always nag-uusap or nagkikita. You're still my friend and may the Lord grant you the happiness and love you truly deserve because you have such a good and pure soul. I love you.
Ah, thank you very much. Isa naman, ma'am.
Hello, sabi daw ko ni Mama ko mabahaan. Okay. Happy birthday mo, Nay. Hindi tayo super duper as in close. Pero, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo is, I hope kahit anong mangyari, sa pagtanda mo at sa lahat ng mga taong makikilala mo, is hindi mo makalimutan na si Lord yung nandyan para sa'yo. And I hope hindi mo mawala yung sarili mo, yung pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo kasi you will always have yourself. People come and go, you will outgrow a lot of people, and you will learn a lot of lessons. You will get your heart broken. Pero may mga tao pa rin na mananatili sa buhay mo. Yeah. And I hope
Yun, palakpakan naman natin yan. Ang ganda nun, ano? Maraming salamat. And...
Happy birthday, Shana.
Happy birthday. Maraming salamat po. Look! Siyempre, we will make it as special as she is. Ang pinakamaganda ngayong hapong ito para po sa inyong lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, our champion, Annalyn. Ito, palakpakan naman po natin our champion. There you go. Minsan, papalakpakan naman po natin ang ating champion. Annalyn, I must say, napakagaling ng makeup artist mo at ang gaganda rin ng mga sinusuot mo ngayong gabi ito. Thank you very much to her makeup artist. Ano ang pangalan ng makeup artist mo, Annalyn? Si Mama Ryan. Mama Ryan, thank you very much. Talagang nabigyan mo ng justice ang ganda ng batang ito. Thank you very much, Mama Ryan. Palakpakan naman po natin our makeup artist, si Mama Ryan. Dahil sa palakpakan, mas malakas nga po. Yan. Okay. Babawasan natin ng 1,000 ang bayad kay Mama Ryan. Alright, thank you very much. Annalyn, ang pinaka-special when it comes to Dibuy in the Philippines ay yung mahalayan ng pulang bulaklak ang isang babae na tumutungtong sa edad na yan. Mapalad ka dahil isa ka sa mga dalaga na nakaranas ng ganitong pagkakataon. I know some of your guests ay hindi naranasan ito pero be grateful to your mom at sa iyong mga tumulong sa iyo dahil they make it possible for you this evening. Kaya eto na, ang mga lalaki na nag-iisigan na handang mag-extend ng kanilang kamay to protect you and to love you unconditionally. Ladies and gentlemen, our 8-year-olds. Mr. Daryl Gabaton. Followed by Mr. Reggie Velarde. yung solo na 18 Roses, no? Thank you very much, Jomar. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Lolo Bernardo Garcia. Bata pa pala ni Lolo. Lolo. Mr. Billy Joe Capiles. It's your turn, Mr. Andrew Ursua. Sir, thank you very much, sir. Next, we have Mr. Eduardo Macapagay. Next, we have Mr. Neil Odensia. Next, we have Mr. Andrew Alcaide. Next, our Camera, Mr. Mark Angel Napu. Next, we have Mr. AJ Manaba. Next, we have Mr. Von Oliver Carpenter. Next, we have Mr. Lorenzo Victoriano. And now, ladies and gentlemen, save the best for last. Our escort, Mr. John Matthew Cabatuando.
At ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mapilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away ba't di natin namamalayan? Ito
once again, kayo lahat dahil gagawin po natin itong last part po ng ating programa po para po sa ating debutant. At this very moment, inaanyayahan ko po ang mami po ni Annalyn. Nasaan po si mami? Si Mami Helen. Samahan mo Mami Helen si Annalyn dito sa stage. Jaja, may I request your presence? There you go. Dahil kanina, Mami Helen, narinig mo yung mga mensahe ng mga taong nagmamahal sa iyong anak at sa iyo na rin at sa iyong buong pamilya. Nandito sila ngayon, they give testimonies na talagang kung gaano kabait tong tao na to, tong bata na to, tong anak mo na to, and how you raise her. At syempre, thankful din kaming lahat na binigyan mo siya ng isang pangarap, ng isang dalaga. Ano? This time, Mami Helen, ikaw naman ang pakikinggan namin kung ano naman ang mensahe mo sa iyong anak at sa lahat ng taong nandirita umaten para sa special na moment po ni Annalyn. Ladies and gentlemen, the mother of our debutant, Mami Helen.
Palakpakan naman po natin.
Thank you po sa lahat ng dumador ng birthday ng aking anak. Thanks God dahil nahaos ko. Sa mga taong tumulong sa akin para matapos ko. Thank you so much. Ang salitang thank you is not enough. Alam ko yun kung gaano kayo naghirap para sa anak ko, tulong sa akin. Sabi ko lang, mag-aaral mabuti. Yun lang naman yung mapapaan ko sa'yo eh. May bibigay ko na makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral. Think positive always. Be happy. Once again, thank you po sa lahat inyong lahat. Yun lang po.
Thank you very much, Mami Helen. Yun, ang mother's love, no, para sa kanyang anak. This time po, tumayo po tayong lahat at sabay-sabay po natin awitan po ng birthday song si Annalyn para po sa moment na ito. Mami Annalyn, kay Mami Helen, samahan mo lang siya. Ayan, naging mami na si Annalyn. Mami Annalyn, Mami Helen. Ayan, okay po. Sabay-sabay po natin kasi. Bakit? Teka, mapatayo mo nga dito. Ba't marami ako nakikita nag-iiyakan? Ha? Walang iyakan? Wala? Hindi yun umiiyak, napuwing lang? Okay, napuwing lang. Okay po. Ayan, ganyan po sila na nagmamahal sa iya. Thank you very much po. Next time po, kantahan na po natin si Annalyn. DJ, music!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yung mas malakas ka po at mas masaya para kay Annalyn! Okay, Annalyn, at this very moment, make a wish before you blow your candle. Special daw yun para matupad lahat ng iyong wish mo. Palakpakan naman po natin si Annalyn. Thank you very much. Annalyn, samahan mo na ako ulit dito. Imposible ang programa natin ngayong gabi ito. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our debutant, Annalyn.
Thank you po sa lahat ng tumulong sa amin pa sa magandang event na to. And special to my mom.
Salamat sa magandang birthday. Nahiraos mo lang ikaw lang isa. Thank you po. Ma, I love you.
Palakpakan naman po natin si Annalyn. Pwede mo bang i-hug si Mami? Pwede mo bang lapitan at yakapin ang Mami mo? Grabe, all the best in the world. Palakpakan naman po natin. Yun, maraming salamat and that ends our program tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat po sa inyo, Annalyn and Mami Helen. Thank you.